Passage number 5 start. The Higher Education Commission has been the recipient of large sums of money full stop instead of betterment in academia in real terms, though, the gains have largely been in terms of numbers, so many more institutions, so many more PhDs, etc. Full stop. The trouble is, PhD theses turn out to be plagiarized. Scholars resort to self-published books to boost their credentials, persons in august positions of academic excellence are exposed as having clay feet. Full stop. The National University of Science and Technology, recently made it to the top 500 in the QS World University Rankings. Full stop. A few other Pakistani institutions also hold positions on this scale. Full stop. But depressingly, of the over 180 institutions also hold positions on this scale. Full stop. But depressingly, of the other 180 universities in the country, only 6 are ranked on the QS. Full stop. By contrast, India has several institutions rating amongst Asia top 100. Full stop. We were aware of the ruins, education emergency, that that has Pakistan in its, with no end in sight. Full stop. But my continuation is, even in the best schools, amongst those that privileged enough to access education, there are falling standards. Full stop. Part of the answer can be found in the type of person hired to teach at the early school years level. Full stop. Paragraph. Two types of teachers, almost exclusively female, dominate. Full stop. There are those with little experience other than their ability to keep children involved in glorified daycare, with little experience other than their ability to keep children involved in glorified daycare centers. Full stop. Many of them are committed and profess to love children, which is great. Full stop. But commitment and connection cannot replace degrees and formal training. Full stop. Then, there are those that I think of as the otherwise housewives, who are teaching at levels where degrees are not required, so that the tuition fee of their own children is reduced. Full stop. That says something about motivation, as well as rapacious workings of respectable institutions. Full stop. The onus lies not on these hard workers, but on the institutions, which is perhaps most of them that display these hirings practices. Full stop. They maximize profits, even while charging customers in the hundreds of thousands of rupees, by hiring staff that they can get away with paying the minimum possible simply because they can. Full stop. Such staff has neither commitment nor, usually, a long shelf life, full stop. By contrast, comma, consider that by class 8 or 9, comma, an cannot teach maths or biology or English literature because the standards of the examinations being prepared required specialized knowledge, full stop. But in class 1 or 2, comma, or in kindergarten, comma, institutions can get away with anything and they do, full stop. The customers are held hostage by the lack of choice. Private schools operating in a manner somewhat to a cartel, comma, and the responsibility for quality public sector education having long been abdicated by state institutions, full stop. By the time students get to higher grades where they have access to specialist teachers, comma, for many the damage has already, comma, for all time, comma, been done, comma. Poor grasp of concepts, comma, weak ethical moorings, comma, the tendency towards rote learning and shortcuts, comma, the search for the right not well rescheduled reached and well argued answer, comma, an understanding of educational and learning as something to acquire and file away rather than a lifelong mission towards understanding and excellence, full stop.